Hey everyone, it's Larry here and welcome back to my channel.
No.
So in today's video, I'll show you guys how you could make DIY preserved flowers, vintage style, whatever you want. You could have it as room decor, anything. You could throw it, you could just watch this, enjoy the video, and be sure to watch all the way till the end so that you don't miss anything.
You don't have to let them know that you are a desperate piece of trash, so stop forcing them to watch your video.
So let's just get right into the video. And I'll shut up.
Excuse me, you know that is very offensive, like stop. What are you doing? Oh my...
Wherever you go with your babe, go with your babe. When I'm still definitely.
So to preserve these flowers, I'm going to use expired hairspray and drench it until it's completely wet with hairspray and leave it to dry overnight. And keep in mind that this process will not preserve these flowers forever or for months. It will only preserve it for a few days and extend its life and color for a few days. So there are a whole bunch of options out there to preserve them for months or longer, but you know, this is a low budget kind of thing, so yeah. So for the first DIY, we are going to make the Beauty and the Beast inspired object thing, you know, that rose inside a jar thing. Yeah, that thing. Okay.
Can you stop saying the word thing a million times? It is getting very annoying and you are not even funny.
So all you have to do is eat a whole jar of Nutella.
Why the heck are you telling them to become a fat piece of desperate trash like you?
Or get any jar that has a dome shape like this, and then cut your rose or flower to size so that it could fit inside a jar, and then shove it in, and that's pretty much it. That's all. It's that simple to make something look like it's preserved. So for the second DIY, it's super duper simple. All you have to do is cover a jar with a whole bunch of thread. I'm really sorry I don't have the footage of me actually doing it. So if you want to see me do it, then I have a video up on my channel. It's gonna be in the description box below. I'll leave it down below.
Wow, you are very lazy.
But it looks kind of cute. It looks something like this. And yeah, enjoy. So for this third and last DIY, we are going to make a distressed jar for your flowers. And what I'm doing here is getting some acetone and getting rid of the residue. I'm using scissors. Please do not do this. I was using scissors because I didn't want to touch it because I had nail polish on, but...
Larry, are you aware that 10-year-old children are watching your videos and that you are promoting dangerous DIYs? Such a fat disappointment.
Eventually I did use my fingers, so yeah, just don't use scissors, please. So now that this jar is completely clean, I'm going to start painting it, and you can use whatever color you'd like and use whatever technique you would like, but every footage from now on will be pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll just leave you guys from here. Now that my jar is completely painted, I'm going to tie a ribbon with a bit of thread, and of course this is optional, but I think it just made it a bit cuter. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss anything from this channel.
Lairy, you desperate piece of fat trash. They regret watching this video, so stop forcing them to do things they wouldn't want to do.
All my social media sites will be linked in the description box below.
Lairy, no one cares about your very sad life.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Disgusting.
Guess I'm a bad liar.